This year's Cruise Ship Interiors Expo was a blast. If you didn't get a chance to see our booth, here's our colorful recap. We created, printed, built, and framed everything you see in this booth in-house. Even the hand-painted furniture. Claire proudly represented FrameWorks as an art ambassador. She and Brian Helder were interviewed by the lovely team at CSIE. This rapid-fire style interview allowed us to explain all that we do in less than 60 seconds. We got to create plenty of new connections. All of us were proud to tell everyone about the limitless possibilities we can make a reality. Even if you didn't get to stop by, we hope you enjoyed this pop of color. And if you did, thank you for taking the time to engage with us. Remember to be limitless. Love, FrameWorks. And we hope to see you next year.